news coming in from Kolkata. The case is getting murkier because beyond parents now, apart from them, there's one more relative and an aunt of the doctor who's come forth to level some very serious allegations. And the claim here is that they were offered a bribe to hush up the matter, to not go and outrage about it. And then they were made to record a video saying that, denying that any bribe was taken. And why the aunt has come forth to say this is because aunt says that we were forced to deny the bribery charge in a video. Now this video, remember, was recently leaked or released, and because the Trinamool Congress had countered the parents with this old video. This was on August 11. Now one of the aunt has said we were made to record that video, and that came after the offer of bribe had come on the 9th of August. 9th of August, they are offered a bribe to kind of hush up the matter, to not go speak about it much. Then by 11th August, they are made to go quiet about it, record a video, which they were forced to do. Remember, these are grieving family members who are being told to do all this. And then that is why they have come forth to say. So let's listen in now to what the victim's aunt is saying in this case.
কার তরফ থেকে সেটা বলতে পারবো না। হ্যাঁ, ভিডিও ভাইরাল হয়েছে, সেটা আমরা দেখেছি, এবং ভিডিওটা চাপ দিয়ে, পরিবারকে চাপ দিয়ে, বারবারই তো বলা হচ্ছে চাপ দিয়ে করানো হয়েছে। 11 তারিখ রাত্রিবেলা। নিশ্চয়ই করেছে এসে, কারণ ওনারা এই কথাগুলো তো বলেছেন যে আপনারা যে এরকম বলছেন তাতে তো আপনাদের এখন, তখন আমাদের মানে কলকাতা পুলিশের কাছেই এই কেসটা ছিল, তাতে আপনাদের কেসে অসুবিধা হতে পারে। জোর দিয়ে আমাদের বাধ্য করা হয়েছিল এই কথাগুলো বলার জন্য।
মানে যেই ব্যক্তির গলা শোনা যাচ্ছে সেই ব্যক্তিকে পুলিশের কোনো ব্যক্তি
নিশ্চয়ই হবে, এবং
বাড়িতে এসে করেছেন।
হ্যাঁ, বাড়িতে এসেই করেছিলেন। সুবর্ণ গোস্বামী স্যার যখন মিডিয়াতে বাইকটা দিয়েছেন, তারপরেই রাত্রিবেলা 11টার সময় এসে ওনারা এই ভিডিওটা করে নিয়ে গেছেন। না, অ্যামাউন্টটা ঠিক জানি না, কিন্তু বান্ডিল ছিল।
Suryagini is joining me live for the latest on that. Suryagini, this is not good, you know, because the family constantly made to give out videos, record. They're constantly saying something, and this is when they've lost a young woman. Doctor, what are you picking up in this case? What exactly happened?
Well, you know, Pooja, if we just listen into what this aunt has, said. She was when she was questioned on when that particular video that we were airing since yesterday on the parents, when they were seen countering the claims that was made by the father, which happened at Arjikor a day back. Now this aunt, she's making some explosive allegations. She's saying that the parents were forced. Now this particular video was shot under some kind of a pressure. This is what the aunt is alleging right now. She's also claiming that it's from the 11th, and it was after some doctors, who had visited them to, speak to them and show sympathy towards the family, that some people, forced them to shoot it. Now, it was also questioned who were they. The answer, it didn't really come through pretty solidly. That's what we understand if you just listen into what the aunt has said. She's saying that, probably it was the police. However, she cannot confirm it whether, the police, whether it was police or not. She was also questioned what was the amount that was, given out to the family or offered to the family. There's still some, lacuna on the fact that was the money offered, or, was it directly given to them? Because there are multiple of these statements that have come afloat, which makes this case a bit confusing.
None of this would have happened. However, if from day one, Suryagini, there would have been perhaps a more empathetic, direct, a more sensitive interaction between the officials, administration, the cops, with the family that's lost a daughter, the only child, in such a brutal manner. And perhaps that is a reminder of what also needs to happen in these cases. Stay on with me, Suryagini.